Good afternoon, Boomer. Brian Tong here from Boomerlife.net. I'm in this keto diet, and now I'm looking for something to eat besides meat and cheese. So today I'm doing a little blog called Keto Snacks. What the heck can I eat? I'm in week 5 of the low carb diet, eating lots of cheese, lots of turkey, lots of salad, lots of wings. That's about it. Haven't really lost a lot of weight. I think I've lost like maybe 5 pounds in 5 weeks. So, and it's not because I'm cheating. It's just because I think I'm incapable of losing weight. But so anyway, I came to this. What the hell can I snack on? I don't have a sweet tooth. I do enjoy a snack, especially salty ones like pretzels and chips. And I'm getting a bit tired of not eating them. So what can I snack on? Well, today I did some research and I found a company called Kiss My Keto. That's an appropriate name. And I may have found something to come to my rescue. This is keto-friendly stuff that is otherwise not eatable on the keto diet. And so in my blog on boomerlife.net, I have joined in some stuff that is made by Kiss My Keto, such as chocolate bars. Who knew? And protein bars, delicious and low carb, and they have several flavors. One of the hardest parts of the keto diet for me is missing pasta. And Kiss My Keto has ramen noodles. I can't imagine what they're made out of, and I don't know how they did it, but I'm going to try them. They also have loaves of bread. I hope these are edible. I've tried the Ezekiel bread that you get in the freezer at the grocery. It's edible. It's not bad. Um, but I'll tell you that cauliflower pizza dough sucks. They also have low carb bars, protein bars made out of white chocolate. They look yummy. They have Nick's Keto Snack Bars. These are coconut keto snack bar meal replacements. I have had these and they are very good. I've also attached these diet pills that they have, which basically aid in fat distribution. I haven't tried those, but I'm going to. They also have Electrolyte powder drink mix. Sounds a lot like Crystal Light, which is one of my all-time favorite evening hydration drinks. Beats soft drinks like Diet Coke, which are full of aspartame. They have high-octane coconut oil to fuel your coffee and smoothies. They have hot creamer and hot chocolate mix. So all of these products look like fun alternatives to the more fattening stuff we all crave. So give it a shot. Click some of these links and purchase it for the same price as going direct. We'll make a few shekels on the affiliate link, but other than that, you'll be getting the same stuff I get when I click on it for the same price. So give it a shot and let me know how it goes. Boomer Life out.